Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the SpareBank 1 login not working. First, make sure that you're entering the correct login details. Double check your username, password, or selected login method. Even small mistakes can stop you from logging in. Next, check your internet connection because a slow or unstable network can interrupt your login process. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if possible. Then close the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the app. Swipe it away, closing it completely. Wait for a few hours and reopen it. You can also restart your phone to remove temporary glitches. Now, if you forgotten your password, go ahead and use the forgot password option and follow the steps to reset it securely. Make sure your app is updated. Head over to your app store or your Play Store, search for SpareBank 1 app, and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Play Store, as outdated versions can cause login issues. Now, if login still does not work, wait for a few minutes and try again, as there may be a temporary system issue. That's how you fix the SpareBank 1 login not working. Subscribe for more